If you have a set of these speed horses, you probably absolutely love them. However, they do have a design flaw that I've actually come up with a fix for. Let me share that fix with you in this video. First, let me show everybody that doesn't own a set of these how quickly you can set up a 4x8 table. And there you go, an easy workbench is all set up. And it's very stable. The design flaw I refer to is right here. Both ends of this speed horse have this ridiculous end on them. The shape prevents you from storing these things vertically. If you have a very small shop like I do, you don't have room to store stuff like this in a horizontal position. It has to be vertical. Let's take a look at what I'm talking about. At the end of the day, the speed horse closes up efficiently and quickly. Then you go to store them vertically, and this happens. Okay, let's take a look at that again, just in case we missed it the first time. Here's how I fix that. Simply weld a 1/4 inch thick piece of steel onto the end of the speed horse. Make sure it's as wide as the speed horse is. Okay, let's take a look at my fix and see how it works. Well, there you go. You have one speed horse that can be stored vertically. If I had to try to guess why they did this to the end of the speed horse, it was probably so you can easily close them. My fingers are resting on the release lever. But even with my steel in place, I can still reach the release lever. An astute observer may have noticed the word last written on one of my legs. This is because the legs are actually held in place with friction. After a couple years of use, that friction part wears out, and the legs won't stay stowed. This reminds me to stow this leg last, since the friction nub still has a little bit of grab on it. However, after a while, they both wear out, and then you have to use Velcro to hold the legs in place. But even with these problems, this is still a great sawhorse, and I would buy it again.